Welcome back. I imagine if you've got some questions about the lights, these LEDs are from Temu. I think that's what the app's called. Anyways, they were $5 for both strips. They come with negative wire, a signal wire, and a running light wire. I mounted the strips on an acrylic plate so that they'll sit in the housing. And then when you put the lens on, that holds it in place. So first, the signal lights. This is the signal light bulb wire. I'm going to cut it and connect these wires to these wires. For the signal portion, you're going to use the black wire on the LED strips to the white and the orange to the blue. For the running light portion, you're actually going to hook up to the side markers. To figure out which wire you're going to use, you want to ground your lead if you have a multimeter, and then check which lead has power, and you know that size wire. So this yellow wire has the 12-volt power. I hope I was clear enough and explained myself to how I wired it and how I did it. Total cost $10 to have sequential LED turn signals and essentially another set of running lights. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Peace.